Hey guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually disable your Instagram account. Now, disabling your Instagram account means that you don't delete it, but you disable it for a while until you enable it again. Now, if you have your account disabled, that means that no one can find it and that you can't access it until you enable it again. Now, first log into your account that you want to disable. Now from there you go to the bottom right corner where your account appears, go to the top right where the burger menu is. From there you go to your settings. Once you're in your settings you go to the accounts center, and once you're in your account center the meta account center opens up. Now from here you go to your personal details, and in your personal details you go to account ownership and control. And once you're in your account ownership and control, here you have the deactivation or deletion. Now you press it, and here you select the account that you want to deactivate, here. And from there you deactivate your account or you delete your account. Now from here you can deactivate your account, press continue. Here you need to type in your password. And once your password is typed in, from there press continue. And here you can simply press something else and press continue again. And here you deactivate your account. Now, as you can see, your account has been deactivated. And that's it. Now, if you still got any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will help you. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like.